Question number 4 in take-home test 4. It is asking determine the number of real solution of this equation. The equation is 2x squared is negative 4x minus 5. Oh, I'm sorry, I made a mistake, so I'm going to cross it out. So number 4 is 2x squared plus 3x equals 6. The best way to solve this type of quadratic equation is just rearrange it in the form of standard form. Standard form of that equation will be 2x squared plus 3x minus 6 equals 0. That problem doesn't ask us to solve it, just it is asking us to determine the number of real solutions. If we look at the formula for solving quadratic equation, it says that x will be found by using that formula, which is x equals negative b, positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. If you look at that formula, you see that the under radical shows that how many real solutions that quadratic equations would have. So we are not going to solve and use the whole formula, but we are looking at the radical part of that formula, which is b squared minus 4a times c. On that quadratic equation, a can be recognized as 2, b is positive 3, and c is negative 6. If I plug these three numbers and find out what will be the under radical, so I will have b squared, which is 9, and also I have negative 4 times a times c, so will be negative 4 times 2 will be negative 8, and times negative 6 will be 8 times will be positive 48. So the result of which will be square root of 57. And if you see under radical is a positive number. So positive number, if you take a square root of it, it will have 2 real number as its result. So without solving that, we recognize that these quadratic equations will have 2 real solutions.